My name is Laura Morris and I'm the principal at Northaven Elementary School. We started working with United Way last year with the Build-A-Bed project. They approached us and said, who in your school needs a bed? And at first, we were just shocked because we feel like we do a really good job of taking care of our kids, making sure they have food, clothing, and we just never thought about that there's kids that don't have a bed. So what we did was at parent-teacher conferences, we met with our parents and talked to them about that United Way had this project, Build-A-Bed. And if they needed a bed, that we had an application to fill out, and this year it's just taken off. We have 30 applicants for our Build-A-Bed, so we have to figure out how we're going to get all these needs met. We have students anywhere that sleep on a mat on the floor, or they sleep on a sofa. Sadly, last year we couldn't get everybody a bed because we have some families that are homeless. And so they needed a bed, but first we had to work with them to get housing. So I think for us it was just a wake-up call. Having our head on a pillow to us is a given, and that it wasn't something that every single one of our kids had, and we wanted them to have a soft place to sleep so that they can come here and be awesome. And we're just all in for this. I'll try not to get emotional, but I think we've always given to United Way, but not really known. And we're huge participants. But after last year, I feel like we get it now. We know what United Way can provide for us. Because we're teaching, I'm convinced teachers are superheroes. The work that they do every day is just amazing. But we don't have time to think about that kind of stuff, and that's what I love about our partnership with United Way, because they're helping us. We have a mission here at Northaven, and it's clear. We take care of our kids so that they can be high achievers, and I feel like United Way is helping us with that mission, and that's what's so nice to have partners.